Okay. So, nahanap na natin na yung system is controllable. Okay. So, let us now construct the observability matrix naman to determine whether the system is observable or not. Or, actually, the purpose of doing this is whether is to see the effect of the input and output to the system, no? So, for controllable, yung B natin is input. So, it's to see whether the system is controllable or not with the input. For observability naman, that is to see whether the system is observable or not for the output, no? Kasi yung gagamitin naman natin dito is the output vector. So, let us proceed to finding the observability matrix of the system. So, yung observability matrix is given by the formula y, which is our output, and sa baba naman y times a. Okay? So, yung y natin kanina is a row vector. Diba? 1. Sorry. So, yung coefficients lang yung kailangan natin, kaya capital Y. So, 1, 0. Okay? So, yung y natin kanina is 1, 0, then x sub 1, x sub 2. Kasi x sub 1 lang yung meron tayo. Y equals x sub 1. Ito lang yung may value tayo. Okay? X sub 1. So, y equals 1, 0. It's a row vector. So, let's proceed to getting y times a. Y times a. So, y natin is 1, 0. Yung a natin is our coefficient matrix. 0, 1, negative 1, negative 1. So, let's perform the matrix multiplication. So, 1 times 0, that's 0. Plus 0 times 1, that's 0. Okay? So, don't forget na yung makukuha natin dapat dito ay isang row vector din. Since minultiply natin yung 2 by 2 sa mas maliit na dimension, yung row vector. Kaya row vector dapat yung kalalabasan. Katulad kanina, since sa controllability, yung coefficient matrix minultiply natin sa column vector, kaya nakuha nating answer ay naka-column vector. So, dito naman, naka-row vector siya. So, 1 times negative 1, let's proceed, that's negative 1. Then, 0 times negative 1, that is 0. So, plus 0. So, yung y times a natin is equal to 0 plus 0, that's 0. And then, negative 1 plus 0, that's negative 1. Okay? So, o natin is equal to, diba, y times a. Equals, yung y natin is 1, 0. Oops. 0. And then, yung y times a natin is 0. Negative 1. Okay. So, in this case, the rank of the system is equal to 2 pa din. Okay? So, independent yung dalawa. Okay, yung dalawang to sa isa't isa. Kaya, rank natin is equal to 2. So, balikan nyo na lang yung matrix algebra nyo, no? To determine the rank of 2 by 2 matrices. Since, again, yung number of system variables natin is equal to 2, which is equal to our rank, that means this system is observable under the output. Okay? So, that concludes our state space analysis tutorial for today.